Samsung's dropping the slimmest Galaxy ever, the S25 Edge, on May 13th. With a 200MP camera and a 6.4mm thin design, it's a showstopper. Stick with GadInsider to see why. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge launches May 13th, 2025, and it's packing a 6.6-inch QHD AMOLED display, a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, and a 200MP camera, all in a razor-thin 6.4mm body. Let's dive into the launch event details and what makes this phone a must-watch. Samsung's hosting an online-only Unpacked event on May 13th at 8 a.m. to unveil the Galaxy S25 Edge. Expect a 6.6-inch QHD dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 for stunning visuals. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip with 12GB RAM powers epic gaming and multitasking, while the 200MP main camera with OIS and a 12MP ultra-wide lens nails pro-grade shots. At just 6.4mm thick and 163G, it's Samsung's slimmest flagship, rocking a titanium frame in titanium jet black, icy blue, and silver. But the three 900mAh batteries a bit small. More on that later. Why is the S25 Edge turning heads? Its ultra-thin design rivals Apple's rumored iPhone 17 Air, and the 200MP camera matches the S25 Ultra's firepower, rare for a non-ultra model. Running Android 15 with One UI 7, it's loaded with Galaxy AI features like Photo Assist and Note Assist. Fans on X are buzzing about the sleek look, but some worry the smaller battery won't last heavy users. Priced around $1,320, it slots between the S25 and Ultra, hitting South Korea and China on May 23rd, and the US by May 30th. But want in? Tune into Samsung's Unpacked livestream on May 13th at 8 a.m. Pre-orders open May 14th with limited initial stock, only 40,000 units, so act fast. That's the vibe for the Galaxy S25 Edge launch. GadInsider fam? Are you hyped for this slim beast or worried about that battery? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to stay locked into tech news.